So it's fantastic to be here at Ideal Bathrooms today as part of our Geberit On Tour campaign. This tour gives us the chance to bring our latest innovations directly to our distribution partners, retailers and merchants. Amongst our new innovations, we're showcasing our new Duofix frame, our ultra slim Sigma 40 flush plate and our brand new Alpha range, which are designed with simplicity, performance and the installer's need in mind. And with a growing interest in washing with water, we're also here today with our latest innovation from the AquaClean portfolio, the Geberit AquaClean Alba.
It's great to welcome Geberit back to us here, their on tour van for the Milton Keynes Meet the Supplier event 2025. These events are a fantastic opportunity for suppliers and customers and our colleagues to all meet together and learn about the innovations that are going on in the industry today. At Ideal Bathrooms, we value working with suppliers like Geberit and Twyford, who really push with innovation and care about the industry that we work in.